What's going on, guys? This is Decelation. We're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. And we got Brian sitting here. So we kind of did this, I didn't film this because, you know, girlfriend's family didn't want to be filmed for the YouTube. But I put the dash back in and I put the trans tunnel in just to get an idea. And I was like, Brian, you should take a look at this. What's the first thing you said, Brian?
About that high. Because you don't need to see that side of the car anyway.
Really?
Yeah, about that high. Because we've got 18 inches of blower. So we're talking about Team Supercharger.
Team Twin Turbos, come on, man. We're lagging. I need more support.
Put a little button right here and you push the button and the door goes.
No, we're not doing Goldwing. We're not doing Goldwing.
Oh, yeah. Look, I mean, it's great. The roll bars make a hinge point.
No, man. What? For your people that are...
We can do interior hinges so nobody even sees it. You just push the button.
No, we're not doing that. Oh, but for the people... How tall are you, Brian?
I am 6 foot tall.
6 foot. So, just so you see, it's a little tight.
It is a little tight.
But, yeah, it worked.
Yeah, this is definitely not I'm going to drive this car for a 12-hour road trip.
Yeah, no. Don't. Foreshadowing for...
It's like those really fancy motorcycles that look really good until you realize you can't get them out of a inclined driveway or ride on them for more than like a half hour.
Yeah.
Then they're not cool, but man, but they look good. Yeah, this is definitely not a 12-hour road trip car.
No, not at all.
This is definitely a 18 inches of blower.
No, Brian, we already discussed this. The transmission can't handle it.
Oh, we don't have to put a big super blower underneath there. I want a blower cap. A nice big...
I'm never going to financially recover from this.
Even if it's only running 4 pounds of boost, as long as it has that big gigantic breather on the top of it, we're all right.
Yeah, I'm sorry. That breather puts so much air in it, it's going to make boost no matter what.
It is what it is.
Oh, boy. But yeah, this is kind of like a full trim almost, so this is what it looks like in here. But we've been talking all this blower talk. What are we actually doing today?
I don't know.
Ah, come on. Come on, people. We're treating the bed, the wood bed piece. So we're gonna play around with the wood slats, get the, not the wood slats, with the metal strips. We're gonna get these kind of fitted and figured out as well. And yeah, we'll go from there. So stay tuned while I convince Brian to stop playing with the car because he's enjoying it. He's enjoying it right now. And yeah, it's been a while. Like, we haven't had the dash in for a while, especially with all the wires connected. So
yeah, that's a big difference.
Yeah, so I'm gonna let him play around, enjoy the car for a little bit, and we'll get back to getting this going. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Now, I've probably said this a few times already. Get yourself a Brian.
Hey, we try. We have a good idea every once in a while.
Yeah.
The brain cells that are left collide every few minutes.
Come on. Don't be modest. So, Brian came up with this pattern that I probably would not even have thought of, but it works really, really well, in my opinion. So, what do we do this? This is like a 6-inch spacing?
8 to that.
8, okay, this is about an 8-inch spacing. And then we're gonna have a 10-inch spacing. And then 6-inch, 6-inch, and then 10-inch, 8-inch. So it kind of gives you like it looks very good, and it keeps like a nice offset pattern, but very, very clean. I am liking this. So, yeah, when we're done, this is gonna look like a real wood bed. Brian, you happy?
I am. I think it's gonna work out pretty well.
Yeah, me too. And for the people that are curious how much I'm gonna spend for this wood bed, because you see how expensive wood bed kits are, right? So far, in materials, the plywood was $40. How much did we spend on that torch? Like 40 bucks?
Like $40 for the torch.
Yeah, we spent 40 bucks on the torch. I had propane tanks because, I mean, I like propane grills. I prefer the taste of charcoal, but propane's easy. Really easy. I'm lazy. Sue me. So I had the propane tank and I had propane. And I spent, it was $80 for the metal, for this metal. And it was $40 to ship it, though. So we're looking at 120 plus 40 and 40. $200 for this wood bed kit. And I spent like $5 on this little, about a bunch of little screws that we're going to attach it to. So $205 for this wood bed kit. And I think this is going to look quite amazing. And I'm maybe going to use like $4 worth of paint because we're gonna paint it. I'll let you. That'll be a surprise which color we're gonna paint it. You might be able to guess, but it'll be a surprise. But yeah, all right. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mark all of these slats down so we can get them measured out and cut so they actually fit on here, so we're not knocking them off. Like, how many times did we knock this one off? Like,
yeah, that's gone off there about a half dozen times.
Yeah, this one it didn't like staying on, so it just kept falling off.
Problem child.
What can you do? But yeah, once we screw it all in, this is gonna look beautiful. So cool. Stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Next day. Brian's back.
What's going on, peeps?
We enjoying what we have going on.
It's looking pretty good.
It looks fucking amazing. That was just the first coat that we sprayed, so we're gonna keep spraying. Yeah, we'll just get to work. And I did hint to them about the purchase that we're doing tomorrow. I didn't tell them what it was, though. Y'all gotta wait for that.
It's hinges for the gull wings.
No, no, no. But if you engineer something that looks clean, I may consider it.
Hashtag keep going.
But you gotta fund the You gotta fund the Goldwing project. I won't fund that part.
All I need is hinges.
Oh boy. Why do I get the feeling that he's actually gonna do this? Like, I'm actually gonna be gone. Like, I'm probably gonna be at some point. I'm gonna be on a vacation or something, and I'm gonna come back and they're gonna be just changed over because he's just gonna come in while we're gone. Like, oh.
And I definitely will not forget the little nitrous bottle purge thing, so we can.
Oh Lord. I'm never gonna financially recover from this. Get back to work.
It's going to open to the theme from 2001: A Space Odyssey.
That's not a bad idea, though. I can mess with that.
Also, Sprox the Rooster. think that's what the name. I can't remember who composed it, but that's the name of the song.
I'd be okay with that. That sounds kind of cool.
We play it, but it's probably copyrighted by somebody. So.
Yeah, more than likely it's copyrighted. That's why my music is moderate at best on the channel. Sorry, best I can do with copyrighted content and stuff. It happens. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna get to work. Welcome back, guys. Brian?
What's going on, peeps?
So, we didn't shoot the closeout of this video, so we're shooting it now, but we gotta go hang out. And we just picked up the vehicle that I alluded to. That was a lot of fun, wasn't it?
Oh, that was a blast.
Hence why he's got a bandage on his finger. Yeah, we'll talk about that.
Knives are sharp, kids.
Knives are sharp. Yeah, it was a whole fiasco. But we'll talk about it. That'll be a next video. Probably we'll do a review and talk about it. And there's some things we got to work on, you know. But it drove nice though. It got a little bit squirrely getting heavy brakes when it was super wet though, because it's like downpouring rain. But yes, this is pretty much the final product. All we got to do now is put those little strips in, and I need to get different screws, so that's kind of like that's what's holding us up on this one. So this is what it looks like, and I just want to thank you guys. Have a happy new year. I know I said in the last video, but now it is the new year, 2021. Better than 2020?
Hopefully, but remember, 2020 just turned 21 and started drinking.
Yeah, we're all doomed. All right, have a good one. Peace.